Air Purifier How to Use. 6 tips for how to use an air purifier to purify your home. Number 1. Choose the right air purifier for your home. Number 2. Place the air purifier in the right location. Number 3. Turn on the air purifier when you need it most. Number 4. Clean or replace the filter regularly. Number 5. Keep doors and windows closed. Number 6. Don't forget about other ways to improve indoor air quality. How to use an air purifier for COVID. The best way to use an air purifier for COVID will vary depending on the specific situation. How to use air purifier necklace. To use the air purifier necklace, you must first remove it from its packaging and connect the included USB cable to a power source. How to use rainbow vacuum as an air purifier. The rainbow uses a water-based filtration system to trap dirt, dust, and other allergens, providing you with cleaner air to breathe.